You good, Epi? You good?
Yeah.
Shh. Beep 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 beep. I remember what happened now. I got like crashed. Does that remind me of something? Find your new objective. Find your child and get out of this place. Locked. Door locked. Pick up that ticket. You know that's useful. You invited to the one and only. My show is the best. Yeah. Damn. Hey. Help me. The show sucks.
Not to get mad or, stressed.
They didn't even put light.
Well, nem para ele, foi trabalho.
Oh, hey, dude, buddy. Do you want to have fun? I'll give you a play show. Sit right there. Choose your seats. La 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 la. Okay, let's answer some questions. Yes. How you feel, but this place is like a bed. I have to like pick up my kid. Oh, you can't. Somewhere outside the basement. I'm just kidding. Come on. Let's play the game. You always... Wait. What are you doing? No. You stupid. Why are you getting out?
At least you got a whole week to grow back.
Boom, 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 boom. Come on. What?
I can't.
You can't play Pooey?
Yeah.
Oh. Come on in. Get you next time. To me, you've never seen me before, but I'm Sadly. I've been here longest. The experimenter on me since 2004. Let's go. What you? You heal. What? Me? I'm heal? Yes. You have to go set up the yeah?
Want a ding dong?
Come on, let's go. I'll wait for you, Hill. Getting bored. New objective. Set up the explosive. Okay, I can heal you. Now, go in that vent. Now, go in that chest. did you do? Mom! Going to kill you! Kill everyone who hurts me. Boom, boom. Please don't kill. No! The fight's not over. What's happening to me? I'm going insane. Thanks, been around. But what happened to me? Oh, that's what happened. Let's go. Hey, wait. Okay, let's go. We're going to collect your child. No. Beep. Reducing. You. It was your fault. Your fault. I killed for that place. Now, look what you did. The statue is getting blown up by you. Now, I'm gonna kill you. One inside. Don't trust him. Until I can turn look it like bubble gum.
Dumb as fuck sometimes, bro.
I'm dumb as shit? Okay, I know that.
Huh? Ow!
Pisses me off.
What happened? Ding? Come with me. You will see. Oh, what of imagination? No. Secret ending. What? Come with me. What? You will see a world with imagination. Stop. Come with me. You will see a wonderful world of imagination. Na. Hey. No, guys, help. Yeah. No. No. Do. Thank you for playing. Choose another game.